In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Wix Studio to HTML code. If you're looking to integrate custom HTML into your Wix Studio site, you've come to the right place. Whether it's to add unique functionality, create a specific design element, or simply have more control over your website's code, embedding HTML can be a game changer. I'll take you through the process step by step so you can follow along and feel confident implementing this on your own site. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Wix Studio homepage. This is where all the magic begins, so go ahead and type in the URL or search for Wix Studio in your search engine. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to log in to your Wix Studio account. To do this, locate the Login button. You'll usually find it in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on it. From here, you'll see different options for signing in. For simplicity, I recommend selecting the option to continue with Google. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that's associated with your Wix Studio projects. If you're not sure which account that is, double check before proceeding to avoid any confusion. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix Studio dashboard. From here, you'll need to access the Wix Studio editor. This is the tool where all your website building magic happens. Simply select the project you want to work on and the editor will load up. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a variety of tools and features on both sides of the interface. We'll focus on the left-hand side for the next steps. Take a look at the left side of the editor interface and locate the plus icon. It's usually a small plus symbol that allows you to add elements to your site. Click on this icon and it will open up a menu of different options for customizing your site. From this menu, scroll down until you see the category labeled Embed and Social. Go ahead and select that category. Within the Embed and Social section, you'll see an option labeled Embed Code. This is the feature that enables you to add custom HTML to your Wix Studio site. Click on Embed Code, and it will activate the functionality you need. Now, you're ready to input your custom HTML. Next, you'll see an option to enter code. Click on this to open the interface where you can paste your HTML code. A box or field will appear, and this is where you'll be pasting your custom HTML. If you've already prepared your code, you can copy it from your source and paste it directly into the designated area. If you're writing the code from scratch, you can type it directly into this field. Once the code is in place, take a moment to double-check it for accuracy. This is a crucial step because even a small typo or misplaced character can cause errors or prevent the code from functioning properly. Make sure everything looks exactly as it should before moving on. Finally, after confirming that your code is correct, save or confirm the changes. This will embed the custom HTML into your Wix Studio site. You should now see the new functionality or design element appear on your site. At this point, you can preview your site to ensure everything looks and works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully embedded custom HTML into your Wix Studio site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.